Whoa, do you feel a wiggle? A little wiggle in your tummy? That means it's time for the potty party! 1, 2, 3, wiggle! Building towers, playing with my blocks, looking for my favorite matching socks. But suddenly my tummy gives a little boop. I've got to move, I've got to go, I've got to loop-de-loop. Do the potty party dance. Spin to the left, spin to the on tight. Wiggle your fingers, stomp your feet. Sitting on the potty is a go, go, go. Joey pulls his pants down and he's ready too. Maya's doing dances just like I do. It's not for playing, it's not for toys. It's a special little moment for all the girls and boys. Wait,
Wow.
wait,
Look,
wait.
I did it. Yes.
Splash! I did it! I went in the potty!
I flushed the potty.
Cheering and laughter! Do the potty party dance. Spin to the left, spin to the on tight. Wiggle your fingers, stomp your feet. We went in the potty, hip hip hooray. Flush the handle, whoosh, away it goes. Bye bye mess, from your head to your toes. Now bubble, bubble, wash your hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub across the lands. Are you clean? Yes, I'm clean. Party dance, yeah!
Thanks for watching Pleasant Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe.